Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about three things. What is virtual environment, why to use it, and how to create a virtual environment in VS Code using Python. When we make projects, we may make use of different libraries or packages, and each library or package has a specific version. So over time, it may happen that a new version of the library comes up. But this library may or may not be compatible, hence your project may not work. This may also happen with different versions of Python. So, by using virtual environment, you are creating an isolated Python workspace where you install the packages you need, which remains untouched over time until you decide to modify it. So whenever you want to execute your project, you can do it without problem by activating your workspace. So let me show you how to pip install the virtual environment first. We need to write the command pip install virtual env. Make sure you spell it right, as I have already downloaded installed the virtual environment package, so the requirement is already satisfied. It may take few seconds for you. Now I will give you a little tip. Make a folder named environments in one of your drive where which you use to make your projects for all the future environments you are going to make. I usually use the F drive for making my projects. See, wait a minute, cd/f, and there I have a folder named environments where I store all of my environments. Now let me show you the names of my environment. These are basically the project names, the name of the project I have worked on. That's what I use for my environment name so that I can find it easily. Now to make a virtual environment, you can use you have to use the command virtual env. Then you have to write the project name. Let's say the project name I'm working on is tutorial, so tutorial is the project name. It may take few seconds to make the virtual environment. As you can see, the virtual environment is ready. So let me clear the screen. Now how to activate the virtual environment? You have to use the command source, and then you have to write the location of the virtual environment. I am in the folder right now, that's why I don't have to write the location. I just need to write the name of my virtual environment, that is tutorial. Okay, source tutorial. Then we have to write scripts and then this will activate the virtual environment. As we can see, the virtual environment is activated, and now you can install all the packages and dependencies for your project here, which will not change until you modify it. That's the benefit. So your project won't break down if any of your dependencies get updated and is not compatible with your project. So to deactivate this virtual environment, you have to use the command deactivate. Okay, and that's how you can deactivate the virtual environment. Now to create a virtual environment using a particular version of Python, like most of the dependencies like Pygame and all don't work with Python 3.8. We have to use Python 3.6. So if you want to work with a different version of Python, and you are currently using a different version of Python like 3.8, and I want to create the virtual environment with Python 3.6, then you have to use this command virtual env -p, then Python 3.6. That's the version of Python I want to create my virtual environment with. and the name of the virtual environment. So let's say the name is version. Okay, now I press enter. Again, it will take a few seconds, and it's created. That was fast. Now let's open this virtual environment. Source, version, scripts, activate. As you can see, we are in the we have activated the version environment, and now to check the Python version, we type Python and press enter. As you can see, the Python version it is using is Python 3.6.8. So now we quit and deactivate again. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.